Hey and welcome to this We Makeup makeup tutorial. First things first, we're gonna do our brows. We're gonna get them into a nice shape. We're gonna use one of their brow gel. For my color, I'm gonna use the number 6. It looks like this. And I also got this 2-in-1 brow brush. You see that with the spoolie over here and then the brush, more anchor brush on this side. This is how the product looks like. And I'm going to take some out and draw my brows. See that? How easy and perfect because of the brush. Oh my god. This one looks so nice and it's so easy, just like this. And now I'm gonna use the spoolie to brush the color out. So we're finished with our eyes. Now we're gonna concentrate on doing our eyeshadow, and I got 2 palettes. First one is this one, the Your Custom palette. Both are custom palettes. This palette I only did like matte colors, and one glitter one is this one. And in this bigger palette I chose some more colorful colors. For this look I'm gonna use this palette. To get like sharp lines for the eyeshadows, I'm gonna use some tape. First color I'm gonna use is this. This is the first color I'm gonna use out of the palette, and I'm gonna use that one as my transitioning color. So to intensify this color, I'm gonna go into this black. It's really like a matte black color, and I'm using the same brush again, and we're just gonna dab in a little bit and intensify the outer V, just a little bit like this. Now the next color is this color that I'm gonna use. It's a really vibrant glitter color. I would almost say it's like a galactic color. I would say it's a galactic color. This is the color that we're gonna use all over the crease, just over the rest of the eye. And I'm gonna drag the color also above the crease, just like this, to meet the first color we use. Wow, you see it? Wow. Oh my god, these colors are so pigmented and so nice. You see that? So now the last color that I'm gonna use is this, also glitter. It's a glitter color, this white one, really like snowish. It has some, I would say, goldish bluish glitter particles inside. So I'm gonna use this one for my tear duct. This one makes the eyes really open. So I also have some of these only eye pencils. I have them in different colors, as you can see, but because I already have so much color with the eyeshadows, I'm gonna use the black one. For waterline, I'm gonna line my waterline with this black pencil, eye pencil, just like this. You see that? See the difference? So just like this. So guys, last but not least, we're gonna use our lip plumper. This lip plumper hydrates the lips thanks to 5 super ingredients in its formula. They enhance the microcirculation of your lips and make them softer. The amount of product inside is also designed to use it 2 times a day for 28 days to see an effect that lasts, you know. So it's my first time trying it, so let's do it. So this is the applicator, as you can see, and I don't have anything on my lips. My lips are just dry and clean. Oh wow, it smells really nice. It has some vanilla scent, and it smells, wow, it smells really nice. I like the smell of it. And it's really, the gloss feels so nice. it doesn't really, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. And as you can see, it's not this sticky gloss, you know. It's, you see that? And I'm not feeling any burn yet or something. Yeah, so we will wait 15 minutes so we can see the enhance of our lips. So guys, the 15 minutes that I waited for this lip plump to really do its work is over, and as you can see, my lips look a little bit bigger as they looked before. And like I told you, it's this formula, it tickles a little bit, but it's not like burning where you feel uncomfortable. This lip plumper also has an hydrating effect. It's cruelty free, it's vegan friendly and dermatologically tested, and it's made in Italy. Like all of their stuff are made in Italy. So I really am in love with this lip plumper. I never had a lip plumper that wasn't so sticky, not like burnt, like whoa. So yeah, get yourself this lip plumper, it's so nice. So guys, then that's it for this tutorial. I just wanna go. Thank you for watching. Bye.